So hello everybody and welcome to Damn Fast. Today we have a really special video because we have here a 360 degrees camera and here we have the GoPro on the head. Today we have a Audi RS3. It doesn't have the OPF filter, so it sounds really good. As you can hear, it's really insane. So let's do a quick drive and see what you think of this car and what you want to see on this car. Leave it down below and also check out our other videos and also check out our merchandise. Nikki has done right now. It's a really cool t-shirt. We have also hoodies and other things, so check it out. Links in the descriptions below. So with no further ado, let's drive this RS3. There it is. So that's a really cool sound. We put it in drive so you can hear the sound for now when I'm talking. So that's really cool. And we have some other people that are driving with little RC cars. It's also pretty cool. This is with drive, so that's pretty insane that the pops and bangs, as you can say, are there. That's really cool. We leave it in drive. So enjoy the drive and let us know what you think of this car. Sport. What a sound, just incredible. That this car is completely stock. I don't do anything and the crackles are insane. With no with no shifting, manually this car makes a lot of sound. Really cool. is so insanely fast. It wants to go and it pushes more. Yeah, we drove the Lamborghini Huracan and the 600 LT from McLaren, and that car, these cars are supercars, so they're completely engineered for driving really quick on the track or just driving quick. And this car is not for that, also track based, but more to push you fast on the autobahn. So that's really cool, and you can feel that it wants to drive really quick. And driving wise, it's really cool. It's very comfortable. The driving is good. The suspension is perfect. The motor is of course the best in its class. And yeah, that's so insane. Really amazed of this car, because we drove the RS3 how do you call it, the 2022 model, and it's a whole nother experience. It's completely different of this car. Turn it around. I'll show you a little bit of the outside of this car. This is the outside of the RS3. It has some cool features as the side skirts, the diffuser, the spoiler in the back. It's really cool. It's all Maxton design. The normal RS3 wheels. And if you want to see more of this car, check out the Instagram page of this car and the owner, of course. A really big thanks to the owner of this car for letting us drive his car. I'm now going to proceed the POV drive and go back. Let's go. Green light and open road. The sound is so amazing. You can't get used to this sound. It's so fucking awesome. Really cool. Just incredible. Let's enjoy it for the little that I'm driving it right now. Here we go. One little acceleration. Insane car. Okay guys, so thanks for watching to this video. Check out our other videos here, and also check out the store, the DemFest store, for your merchandise, of course. And we hope to see you soon. Maybe we're gonna make a video about the 0 to 100. Make sure to check that out, and also check out the 360 degrees video of this car. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next time. Ciao.